Hey guys, this is the Kiltedgardener here, Robert. Just wanted to bring you along. There's a couple things that I need to do today for my wife's car. One, I want to clean up the battery on it, and then two, I want to fix this tire problem. So without ado, I'm gonna take the terminals off, clean those up, and the big project actually is we've got a flat, so I need to put a patch in. If possible. If it's on the sidewall, I have nothing to do with that. All right, well, I'll get you guys situated and I'll come back here soon. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, so I'm going to take these off. I'm going to clean them up real quick, tighten them back down, and hope that we can have a better connection. We've been having battery problems. So when I work with acid, I like to wear gloves. And all we're going to use is baking soda and some baking soda and water to clean them up. So 10 millimeter, let's see, should be pretty easy to come off. They're not really that dirty, to be honest. That's why I'm surprised that it's causing much of an issue. But we'll figure it out. It may be a bad alternator too, so who knows. They're not that dirty, really, they're not. But the littlest things cause the smallest or the biggest problems. So we'll clean all these up, get them soaked up. Like I say, I'm just using baking soda and water. I'm just going to soak those terminals here for a second. Give them a quick clean. Scrubbed up. Could just be a loose connection, who knows. Give them a once over with the brush. Alright. Clean over here. Yeah, I had to jump the car today, which is no fun. So hopefully it'll start back up once I get all this done. Clean this terminal. I also like to wear safety glasses when doing this, guys. Acid's no joke. Could also use some Coca-Cola on this and it'd work too. Even the cheap Dollar Tree stuff. Dollar store. I'm gonna clean all those up. And I'll put these back on here in a second. I'll get this one a little bit more. I had to put one of these stupid spacers on. They didn't make the battery terminal big enough. If I had some of that electrical protectant spray, I'd put it on there, but I don't. Dry all this stuff off. Go back on. Little pop pop. And then my wrench. Don't cross your wrenches, guys. And don't over tighten. I've had that problem too. Then they just break, these little clamps. They use the cheesiest clamps. Alright, let me go try the car, see if it starts. Be right back, guys. Well, that goes to prove I've got them cleaned at least. I'll give it another jump and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, I'll be right back and I'll set you up by the tire and we'll see what we can do with that. Hey guys, so I'm back. So we're going to take this tire off. The first thing I like to do is take your tire wrench and just loosen your bolts. Just so you can not have to do it while it's up in the air. Don't fall over. Now that those are pretty loose, let's set the parking brake as well. Double protection here. And somehow I forgot my jack bar. Just a moment, guys. Got it. We'll lower this down to 10, make sure it's all the way down. And we'll find a good jack point. Right about there, looks pretty good. We'll tighten up the valve. Start doing that. High enough to put my jack stand under. I think that's good. Perfect. Now we'll let the pressure off the jack. Now that those are loose, we can go on with taking the tire off and looking for the problem here. Unfortunately, I don't have a air gun, guys, so I can make air gun noises. not as fun. One day, maybe I'll have an air gun. I am not a mechanic by no means. Don't lose your lug nuts. Done that before. So usually, guys, I'll have a spray bottle full of soapy water, and I'll spray the tire, and once you find bubbles, that'll generally tell you where the leak is. There's not much air in this tire whatsoever, so I'm not doing that today. I'm going to look my best for it, and I should be able to find it pretty easily. He's on there pretty good. One moment, guys, I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back after banging and all that for a few minutes, probably about 30 minutes. Found out that it was seized to the rotor, the tire. Finally got it off. A lot of prying and just banging on things. So I took the tire off, got all that taken care of. Found my problem. If you can see, I don't know. The culprit of the problem here is that little bolt right here. So what I'm gonna do, I got needle nose, and we'll see if we can get it out with this. And if not, there'll be other things I can try. And you can hear the air. There's a little bit left. Then you take this tool here. It's a roughing tool. Rough up that tire a little bit, and we got the plugs. Bought in a big amount of plugs just because it feels like I'm always doing this. Then you got this tool, your plug goes in, so you work that through. And you do about halfway. All right, and then you push that in. Sorry guys, manhandle it. Now that didn't work as good as I wanted it to, so we'll do another plug. See if I can get this in further. That's more what you want. Get that roughed up. Get me another plug. They're kind of a pain in the butt to get in, but they do work. I actually had somebody fail me for a hole in my tire on a inspection. Actually, it was my mother-in-law. Come on, thing going in. It's really being a pain. Alright, that should be pretty good. Then you pull it out slow. Alright, if you can see, I put that plug in. And what I'll do, there it is right there. Cut a little bit of it off, but I leave a good majority of it there so I know where it's at. And I'll fill it with air. Since I don't have an air compressor, I'll take it up, I'll fill it full of air, I'll listen for leaks, and I'll take my spray bottle full of soapy water with me. If it's still leaking, I'll pull the patch and I'll put another one in. Try it a couple times. Hey guys, so that pretty much concludes this video. I just wanted to do a quick repair on this tire. Probably gonna just go ahead and rotate the tires, move this one to the front to the back, and then on the front side I think there's another leak, so I'm gonna look at that tire and then do the same. Other than that, you know, take your soapy bottle, water, spray it, make sure it's not leaking anymore, good to go. So if you like what you see, give me some comments and feedback, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you like what I'm doing, and hit that bell for notifications. Alright guys, well I appreciate your time today. This is Kiltedgardener, Robert. Talk to you all later. Kiltedgardener out. Later guys. Bye.